Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to a new me. I just chopped probably 8 inches of my hair off and I thought I'd do a Monday switch up today. It is Monday, I am filming this today. I thought maybe I would turn the camera on in the bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom, and let's play with my hair. My new hair. I haven't had my hair cut this short in years. Lots of years. I'm super excited. I'm super loving it. So if you're excited to see what we're going to come up with, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get right to the video. Okay, I'm really going to try to stay centered, but I also have to see that in the mirror, so bear with me. I haven't done anything on my channel, so it's the first time I'm filming in my bathroom. Bear with me, please. Thank you. But I'm super excited. I don't know what or why I wanted to cut my hair, but I have been wanting to cut my hair this short for a while. And I decided, I woke up this morning with my sassy pants on and I said, we're going to go get our hair cut. So got my hair cut. I really do love it. I like the bluntness. It is a little bit shorter in the back than it is in the front. Not much, but I like it. It's quick, it's easy. So I'm going to go through as in, this is just like, we'll say blow dried hair. I did straighten this. I had to run to the doctor's office this morning after we got the haircut, so I came home and ran a straightener through it. So if I were to wash my hair, I would blow dry it, and then I would go in with some dry shampoo. My hair is pretty flat. It's thin. Not thin, it's fine. So I don't have a lot of volume, as you can see. So I do use this on clean hair, but I do use this for volume. So I don't like teasing my hair, so I will just kind of use this to boost up some volume in my hair. But I also think it really helps to get second day hair, like good second day hair. And I will do this before bed again, just to get any that I missed. But this does help with volume when I'm wearing it down, or whether I'm curling it or whatever. It kind of gives it something for my hair to hold. My hair is really picky as far as what it will allow in my hair. So dry shampoo is kind of and easy, and it gave me a little bit of volume throughout my hair. This is such a fun haircut, and I'm gonna be looking in the viewfinder the whole time because I'm really enjoying my hair. So once you make sure, this one's really good. This was a Not Your Mother's Clean Freak. This one doesn't do the crazy white cast like others do, but I like this one. I always grab them when they're on sale too, so buy one get one half off or whatnots, and then you can use your Ulta coupons if you get them at Ulta. So that, I think I'm going to go for like a beachy wave. But I do that whether I'm wearing it straight like this, just for a little bit of volume, or if I'm going to curl it. It does give my hair something to kind of hold on to. My hair doesn't like a lot of product in it. It doesn't like the oils. It doesn't like a lot of hairspray, but the dry shampoo, it does help hold it. So that's what we're going to work with. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm really excited too. And what I do, just because I'm a mom and then I really need to do this fast, I did about half of my hair section, and I'll just flip it over and just kind of leave it there. And then I'm going to work in sections technically up and down, whereas usually you go this way with your irons, but I'm just going to go and just start grabbing chunks. With the beachy wave, you don't want it perfect. The imperfectness is really what is appealing about the beachy wave, and I love doing this on longer hair. So, and it does help to have a curling iron where the plate is rounded, if you can see. That will allow you to curl. This is the Sultra, I'm not sure, but this is the Sultra iron. I will leave the model and everything down below, but I'm just going to, away from my face, I'm going to bend this. It just kind of manipulate it, roll it around in my fingers because that hair is quite short. Oh, it's so cute though. I'm really excited. My hair was, I should have done like a before and after, but I mean, you guys watch the videos, you can, it was quite short, but it was overdue, I think. I think it was like August, September, I've been thinking about cutting my hair this short. I really like it. Just keep going away from the face. That's kind of towards the back. Once I get that first layer, I'm just gonna pull all this down. I think one of my favorite things about the beachy wave look is how it looks almost like a second day hair, but it's just, it's fun, it's imperfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, so if some are more curled than others, it's fine. And as a, you know, fast mom hairdo, that's really helpful. Same thing, I'm just keeping all of these going the opposite way, twisting them when they kind of pull too hard out. Oh, that's cute. Smaller sections, bigger sections, I am alternating that as well. This is going to take some getting used to, all of this short hair. Oh my gosh. It used to take me so long to do my hair, and I don't think it's going to take any time to even blow dry it or anything. I missed a chunk. So there's that side. I'm going to do pretty much the same thing on this side, but I am going to do 3 sections. And I'm not doing the back, I'm just doing like the side of my head. You can, if the side I might actually clip. I am going to use a clippy on the side just because there's so much more hair on the side. And same thing, I'm going to take just chunks and keeping my my flat iron up and down. I am going to go away from the face. And making sure that they flip just the way you want. And I'm sure once I get the hang of this, it'll go very, very fast. I'm just not sure. I'm so excited. So today's video is a surprise video, kind of. Actually, my husband hasn't seen my hair, so you guys might be seeing my hair before he does, because it might go up that soon. Then I'm going to do the next section. And I mean, it is quite a big section, but again, I'm not trying to make this perfect. I do want this kind of messy, just lived in mom hair, I guess. If it's not perfect, then it doesn't look like I tried that hard. But I want it to be very cool. But I decided, I think what really sold me on getting my haircut was I was having trouble, like if I wanted to pull it back, finding a cute way to have it pulled back. And I'm like, you know what, it's just time for it to be cut. It's time for it to be just better. I lost a lot of hair once upon a time, and it started growing back a couple years ago, so I had new growth about this long, so that old hair just was not cutting it anymore. So this is the last section, and I'm going to leave it actually. And I'm going to do the back, and I'm going to zoom right through it and be right back. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this top section here, and the reason why I left it is because I like to kind of trick my hair into having a little bit more volume. So I will pull this straight up, and then with my flat iron, I'm trying to go to the side. So you can see, I'm trying to almost pulling it forward, and then I'm going to pull it down and almost do a full turn, but then let go right away, and it gives me a little bit more volume right at the root. And then I will kind of pull it back to the side, because I do want the curls to kind of go sideways. I don't want them curled that way. They do make a difference. I already see a couple pieces I do want to go through and just kind of piece some extra texture in that area. But this is turning out super cute. The back is a little bit difficult for me to do right now, but that is expected. It's so much shorter than what I'm used to, but I'm having so much fun with this. It's not going to be a great video, but just more like an exploring what can we do with my hair kind of video. Maybe when I get a really good routine down, I will do another video. This is so cute. My girls are probably going to be insanely surprised. I don't think they've ever seen me with short hair. Not this short. I did cut it almost this length once, but it still did touch my shoulders, so. Okay, I'm going to zoom through the rest of this top section here, and I will be right back. Okay, now that I went through and kind of picked a couple more pieces apart, this side of my hair does not like to curl, so this one, it is what it is, but I will do a little bit at the back. It's not the best, it's not my best work, but it is new to me. I am going to go in with the Moroccanoil dry texture spray. I got this in a sample box, and I'm not sure which one, and I got it a while ago. I never used to use it, and then I started curling my hair again, and I really, really like this stuff. I will be getting the big size of this. And how I use this, once everything is done, I will, it does say to shake it, so shake it, and then just lightly on the ends, almost up into the hair. I will do that, give it a minute, and then from underneath, just kind of shake my hair. And that really does give me just that loose but texture kind of look. And I don't think I'm going to spray anything else in my hair. This one that did fall. But I am going to fix this one piece really quick. That piece is going to be difficult today too, so. But I am really, really happy with this. It's kind of fun. It is super, super different for me, but I do like it. If I were really wanting to let this stay, one of the hairsprays that I do like is the Aquage working spray. I get this at Ulta. It's really, really great. It's one of my favorites. And I don't think I'm going to finish it off with that today, but this is super fun, super different. I kind of feel super sassy, even more sassy than with it straight. So I hope you guys had a fantastic day today. I hope you had a great start to the week. I have a fantastic, exciting start to the week. I cut all of my hair off and I couldn't be happier about it. So I hope you guys share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.